How to make a bowl of cereal. Well, I'm going to show you. You'll first need a bowl, first and foremost. Then you will need some Granola, quinoa flax cereal is what I'm using today. I like to be on the healthier side of being unhealthy, so I'm going to take the cereal, granola, and pour it into the bowl. Slowly, making sure that none of the cereal gets on the counter, because that would be counterproductive, I guess. You don't know, funny. And I'm going to be using almond milk. I'm going to be adding some cashews to it. Now, adding cashews, the cashew nuts, putting them in the bowl as opposed to putting them on the countertop, adds a little bit more flavor to the cereal, so I'm going to put some cashews inside of the bowl on top of the granola. And to make it a little bit of bold and spicy, I'm going to put some diamond blue almonds on top. Now this has wasabi flavor, and you're probably looking at this like, why would you put wasabi flavored nuts in your cereal? And I would simply reply, for flavoration purposes only. Now I'll put that on there, and next I'm going to sweeten it up a little bit by putting some honey on top. This right here is Hawaiian honey, Hawaiian macadamia honey, and I'm just going to put some on the top, and this adds to the flavoration quite nicely. It balances the seasonation on the cereal and nuts. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some oat milk in there. This is Planet Oat's milk. Shake before serving. I'm just going to pour a little bit on top, making sure that I put enough in there so it can permeate the cereal. Absolute. Now once I've poured the milk in there, I'm just going to let it soakerate a little bit. And the point of soakerating is so that all of the flavoration can permeate throughout the cereal. So once you do that, you're going to want to get a spoon and put it in there. And that's how you make a bowl of cereal. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.